When your PC freezes or the C drive turns bright red, it feels really bad. Many people think about buying a new SSD. You don't need to buy a new SSD. Today I will show you how to free up disk space automatically using Storage Sense, just like I do, and that too in just a few clicks. I use this trick myself, and believe me, my PC is now fast like a rocket. Lag completely gone. No need to install extra software at all. I was surprised when I first found this feature. This tool called Windows Storage Sense actually finds the idle junk files on your PC. We all have many files on our PCs that we don't even touch for months. They just take up hard drive space for no reason. Once you set this auto cleanup, your job is just to use the PC. It will handle the rest. Now look closely at my screen. Do you see how much free space is on my system right now? Just a few seconds ago, it was almost full. After turning on Storage Sense, look how GBs of data cleared up. GBs gone in the blink of an eye. This is not magic, just a hidden setting. If you are a gamer or do editing work, this setting will make your life easy. Let's get straight to work. First, we need to go to the main gate or the settings app. Find the Start menu button on the taskbar at the bottom of your desktop. Right-click on that icon. You will see a big list or menu pop up. Find Settings from there and left-click it. We are now inside the main control panel of the PC. When the settings window opens, you will see many options. Don't panic. There is an option called System on the blue sidebar on the left. Click on it. This will show all your PC's internal configurations on the right side. Sometimes this takes a bit of time to load, so wait a few seconds. Now you see many categories on the right side. Scroll down using your mouse wheel. You will find a small hard drive icon called Storage. Click it to go inside. Windows will calculate in seconds where the junk is hiding in your drive. Just watch. See how installed apps or temporary files are eating your space. It is important to see this so you know exactly how bad your PC's condition is. Right under the storage management section is our hero, the Storage Sense option. Check if it is turned off. If it is off, click the small round button or toggle next to it to turn it on. With this one click, your PC starts working smartly. But wait, it is not over yet. We have to tune it properly so no important files get lost by mistake. You turned it on, now it is time to configure it. Click on the name Storage Sense. This will take us to the in-depth settings page. There is nothing to fear. You don't need to do complex coding like hackers. Just a few clicks. That's it. There are a few small drop-down menus that we will fix step by step. I will tell you exactly how I set it up. You will see a checkbox called Cleanup of Temporary Files at the very top. If it is not checked, click it. When Windows works, it makes many temporary files in the background that are actually useless. If this setting is on, the PC will clean up app junk files by itself. There is no risk to your privacy. It is completely safe. Scroll down to the Configure Cleanup Schedule section. The first drop-down menu is Run Storage Sense. By default, it runs when disk space is low, which is not very helpful. I recommend setting this to every week. This keeps your drive clean and the PC won't get slow from file buildup. Who has time to clean manually? This is a perfect trick for lazy and smart people like us. Let's talk about the recycle bin. When we delete a file, it does not leave the PC completely. Select 30 days from the delete files in my recycle bin drop-down. We often delete files by mistake, so 1 month is enough time to recover them. If you don't look for the file in a month, you don't need it. Say goodbye to it forever. The most dangerous place is your downloads folder. We keep so many useless images or documents here. Go to the delete files in my downloads folder option. I personally keep this at 60 days. Why? Often we forget to move important files after downloading. 2 months is a long time. If you don't move the file elsewhere within this time, the PC will delete it. Let me make a small request. On the Saas Pro channel, I always try to teach real techniques to make your life easy. If this auto cleanup system helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Your subscription gives me courage to make more new videos because this channel cannot run without your support. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next tip. All settings are done. Now we should check these settings right now. Go to the very bottom. There is a big button called Run Storage Sense now. Click it. You will immediately see a status bar at the top. Windows is now scanning and cleaning all your junk files. This might take a few minutes the first time. Relax and let the PC get clean. Look, a message shows how much space cleared up after the cleanup. For me, it was a few GBs. Did you check how much space you cleared? Let me know in the comments. Whose PC had the most junk? Tell me in the comment box. I will read everyone's comments. Honestly, keeping this small setting on means you never have to worry about lag or hanging again. That's all for today. I hope you won't worry about your C drive anymore. Remember, a clean PC means super fast performance. Share this video with those friends whose PCs are always full. Stay healthy and keep your PC happy. In the next video, I will bring more cool pro level techniques. Until then, stay well. Thank you to those who watched until the end. Once you set these, you will forget that you need to clean your PC. Stay with Saas Pro and keep yourself ahead in the tech world. Don't forget to say how you liked the video. Also, tell me how your PC is running now. See you soon. Thanks.